Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So as many of you know, it's supposed to be on a no-buy, and last weekend I was on a rampage and I bought a ton of stuff. And the rest of the stuff that I had purchased, they're now starting to trickle in. So I would like to share with you what I purchased. Some of it I might have to return. I don't know. I haven't tried them on yet. So first thing up, I got these mules. And let me take this thing off so you can see the chain. They're in black, right? They're mule style, and they have a chain here. They're by Franco Stardo, and I got them from a Stitch Fix. I'm gonna have to try these on. The leather itself feels very stiff, but yet the inside feels nice and soft and squishy. So I'm gonna have to see how these fit me, and I will keep them. I thought they would look really cute with my crop pants that I just got also from the Stitch Fix. They're green and black check, and I think they would look cute together. So I'm looking forward to styling them with that. Yeah, and they were on sale at Stitch Fix too. Okay, next up, Loft. I mentioned when I was in the store, they did not have this sweater, so I had them order for me online. It's a beautiful green. I'm really digging this color green this year. It has a nice V neck. It has the adorable little, just a teeny bit of puff right here. I'll come close so you can see the knit, okay? And I believe this is 100% cotton. Let me check to make sure. Let's see, yes, 100% cotton. So I think this is a great spring sweater. I'm loving this color green. I'm so happy this is out. Next up, this is from Kayla, from Kayla's Closet, and I'll link her channel below. She has this particular sweater in several colors, and she got it from Macy's. And she showed it, I believe, in a Wantable box and said, you know what, I'm not going to pay the full price of Wantable. I'll go to Macy's if I want it. And I got it, the same exact sweater that she got, right? It's by One State. The sleeves are a nice balloon sleeve. Look at this color. I love this color. This is one of my favorite colors. It's a neutral. It's like a brown, but like a reddish brown. So you kind of look at it and go, oh, you're wearing brown. Oh, no, you're wearing red. No, you're wearing brown. You know, it depends on like how you look at it and what you pair with it. So I really do like this sweater. I particularly like the color. I'll be honest with you, this is my normal size extra small and it looks big to me. But you know, in the past I've said that and then I try it on and it's fine. So let's see, this material sweater, it's 60% cotton, 20% viscose, and 20% modal. Machine wash cold, light colors, use only chlorine bleach treated, tumble dry low. I will never tumble dry my sweaters. So yeah, again, nice V-neck on this, nice material quality, like it a lot. I'm just really surprised that this is an extra small, but you never know. Gotta try them on, right? Love it. All right, next. Another YouTuber influenced me, and I'll also put her channel below. So she is a fairly new YouTuber. Her name, I believe, is Lori Lundquist, and she had a short on styling these particular pants. Now, I was looking for a pair of ivory pants that were kind of dressy, but not work dressy, and I think these fit the bill. So they're satin joggers. I don't own anything satin, and they're not quite joggers. As a matter of fact, let me look at the bottom here. No, it's sewn. I thought maybe it was Velcro that you can adjust. Well, they're kind of like a jogger. All right, well, we'll have to try them on and see how they are. But they're cargo style, right, with pockets here on the side. And yeah, they're a beautiful off-white satin print. And I got these at the Banana Republic factory outlet, believe it or not. And I ordered a 2 petite in these, and the reason why usually it was 0, but you know, depending on fabrics, and this one obviously won't have any stretch, I went up to a 2 petite. I think these will work for me. We'll try. You know, they also might be too small yet. Who knows? So yeah, I'm excited about these. And that is it for now. I am waiting one more piece from Express, and I haven't gotten it yet. And I have a confession to make. I ordered a Wantable box, so that should be here by mid-February. All right, give me a minute, and I'll do a try-on. Okay, outfit 1. I have on the green Sanctuary sweater. Sorry, not Sanctuary, Loft sweater. On with my Sanctuary green and black check pants. You guys are gonna have to let me know how you feel about this sweater with the pants. I can tell you that when I purchased the pants off of Stitch Fix, they actually had it styled with the sweater this color. And obviously the greens don't match, but I don't know, I'm not so sure. I think maybe. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I think maybe. And the shoes. The shoes are quite comfortable, and I think I'm going to keep them, all right? I have clogs, I have mules, I have loafers, 2 different kinds of loafers, but I don't have any mule clog loafers. That makes sense. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep these. I think it looks really cute with the outfit. And yeah, I have not worn this. I am thinking I'm going to do a new with tags video in the coming week, and this might be one of my outfits that I wear. So here's the front of it, here's the back of it, and I actually want to show you the sweater up close, all right? It has a nice modest V neck, cute little puff sleeves, and I think it quite fits me well. Again, it's the type of sweater that I like, that is fitted or skims the body, and it's not like this big bulky boxy sweater. And the 100% cotton is nice and loft, and it was 30% off. All right, and yeah, if you're interested in this sweater, I will put it in my links below as usual. Okay, and back. All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna style the next outfit. Okay, up next I have the One State sweater, which it is a little bit bigger and looser, but I got it tucked in and I think it works. I like it. I love this color. Now with it, I'm wearing shoes my daughter says do not match. They're my tan leopard print shoes. And of course I have them on with the ivory joggers from Banana Republic. Love the joggers. I think it was very wise that I got the size 2 petite. A 0 would have been too snug because there's absolutely no stretch in these. Love the satiny material. So I would like to know what your thoughts are on this. So like this I would wear to go out to dinner in. Not that I ever go anywhere. I dress like for this life that I don't have. But meanwhile, what do you think of the shoes with these? I'll take the pair of shoes off and you can see what the shoes look like next to the sweater. I thought they were fine because they're both a neutral print, but my daughter says they do not go. So then I brought out 2 other pairs of shoes. And I asked her, well, what about these? Do you think any of these go? Okay, and she says, no, none of those go. All right, but let me try them on for you one by one, and you can tell me what you like best. So give me a minute. Okay, so I am standing back, and you can see I have on the mules that are like a tan color. What do you think of these with this top? And I'll take it off and come close so you can actually see them together right on top of each other, okay? So here's the shoe, here's the sweater. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the Mary Janes. Okay, I can definitely say I don't like these with this outfit at all. Thank God I didn't try these on first. These look pretty awful with this. What are your thoughts though? Out of the shoes that I've got, what do you think goes best? Of course I have ivory loafers and ivory loafers go, but I don't think that's dressy enough for these satiny joggers. Let me know your thoughts. But I have to say, out of this haul, I'm keeping all 4 items. I'm keeping the green sweater, I'm keeping the black heeled mules, I am keeping this One State sweater, and I'm keeping the ivory joggers. Check out below the links if you're interested in any of these, and I'll put Kayla's and Lori's channel below. Lori is petite, and like I said, she's a new YouTuber, and she does a lot of different styling. I have to say she does a lot of neutrals and classic prints too. All right, take care, and until next time. Wait, hold up. So right as I finished editing this video, was about ready to post it to YouTube, my mailman came. So I ran out there, got my stuff, and 2 items came in that I want to show you. First is this Express jacket. I had been eyeing this at Express, and I tried it on in a size small in store and it was too big. So they didn't have an extra small. I had a coupon for $40 off, and I ordered it online in an extra small, which was the smallest size they had. And unfortunately, I do not like this particular jacket on me. I mean, it looked great hanging in the store. I think this would look fabulous on anyone who's taller than me, but I just feel that this kind of overwhelms my frame, and I wouldn't say it's like denim. It's traditional denim, not much stretch. So it's kind of a little on the stiff side. And I just don't think it's a very flattering look for me. I paired them with an old pair of black skinnies from Loft. And the other item that I purchased are these snake boots by Sam Edelman from Nordstrom. So the boots are something I absolutely do not need, and they kind of break my rule of no duplicates. I have cognac booties. I have chocolate brown booties of multiple colors, multiple styles, I should say. I have leopard booties that are brown, and I have black and white snake booties. Do I need a pair of brown snake booties? No. These were calling my name on the Nordstrom website for the longest time, and they ended up selling out my size. They came back in stock with just one left. They were on sale for $95, and I decided to purchase them. I will take them off in just a second and bring them closer so you can see. But I want to say I don't like these on my feet. They have a very, very square toe. And I don't mind square toe. I actually like square toe. But these are really square toe, like witchy looking square toe. And they're very, very stiff and uncomfortable. I bought these in a 7.5 because typically Sam Edelman is a little bit too narrow for my little wide foot with my bunions. But these are now too big. So like my toe is probably about 2 inches before my toe comes to the end of this boot, which is another reason I don't like them, because now between the square toe and them being bigger, they make my feet look really long like witch's shoes. But let me show you and bring them close to you. And again, they're also really stiff, so they're not very comfortable boot. All right, so I'm actually kind of glad that I tried them, and I can say I don't like them. So it is a severe square toe, if you can see that. And I like the heel. The heel is like thicker in width. It's not a stiletto, you know. Here, I'll show you the back of it, right? But it's thin like a stiletto, okay? I like the print on it, but yeah, I'm happy I tried them, so I know that I just definitely don't want them. Well, thank you again. Sorry this is just lopped on here on the ends, and I appreciate your support. Give this video a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and take care, and until next time.